In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error 403 issue in Notion, step by step in 2026. If you've ever tried to open a Notion page, database, or shared link and suddenly run into a 403 error, you're not alone. This usually happens because of permission or access issues, and the good news is it's very easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can regain access in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page or database where you're seeing the error 403 message. This could be a private page, a shared workspace page, or even a database you were invited to. Make sure you're logged into the correct Notion account, especially if you use multiple emails. Once you're on the page, look to the top right corner and click on the Share button. This is where all access and permission settings are managed in Notion. After clicking Share, take a moment to check the access settings. Look at who currently has access to the page and what level of permission they have. If the page is restricted, this is often the main reason behind the 403 error. Next, click on Copy Link. This helps ensure you're using the most up-to-date sharing link and not an old or expired one. After copying the link, stay in the Share menu and click on the three dots icon, which opens additional page options. From the menu that appears, click on Connections. Connections control which integrations and users are allowed to interact with this page. Inside Connections, review the list carefully. If something looks disabled or restricted, that can also trigger a 403 error. Click on Connections again if prompted, and then move to the Permissions section. Here, make sure the correct permissions are enabled. You'll want to confirm that access is set properly for members or anyone with the link, depending on how you want to share the page. Now click on Member and verify that the correct people are listed and that their permission level is set appropriately, such as View, Comment, or Edit. If you are missing from the list, add yourself back or ask the page owner to grant you access. Once permissions are updated, refresh the page or reopen the Notion link. In most cases, the error 403 issue will now be completely resolved. These steps fix the majority of Notion 403 errors caused by access restrictions, incorrect sharing settings, or connection limitations. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the error 403 problem in Notion. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.